Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and wheat trading higher on Ukraine concerns as Russia continues to move troops all across the Ukraine border, supporting the corn and wheat markets. Beans were slightly lower. Opposite so far this morning, a little bit of a turnaround going on with corn and wheat slightly lower, while beans are slightly higher this morning. As we noted, the corn and wheat market continues to add a little bit of premium based on the situation over in the Black Sea with Ukraine and Russia. However, just recently learned that Ukraine's exports are 41% greater than they were this time last year. So it's definitely not having any effect on the export market right now. It's running as normal, but market's adding a little bit of premium as due to the risk of something actually happening. Right now it's a war of words. Should that escalate, the market's got a little risk premium built in. But as of right now, not having any effect on the exports. As we just talked about, they're much greater than they were this time last year. So moving forward, the funds are really long the grain markets right now. They're actually holding the longest position since the drought of 2012. What does that mean moving forward with this report coming up on the 31st, which is this upcoming Monday? Well, we could likely see a little bit of profit taking ahead of that because this report's typically induced some volatility. And the report, for those you hadn't been watching, is the planted acres and quarterly stocks report. So we could see a little bit of easing in prices as we move this forward this week if the funds decide to reduce some of their length due to the fact that this report historically has been so volatile. Might want to take a step back, see how the report plays out, and decide whether or not they want to jump back in. So that's just a few of the things we're watching so far this morning. Again, quick recap. Exports out of Ukraine, not slowed at all. As a matter of fact, they're 41% greater than last week. And we could see a little bit of easing of the funds long positions, a little bit of profit taking due to the fact that this report coming up on Monday is historically very volatile. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.